Rachel and Doug Swardstrom here with Coldwell Banker at our latest listing at 102 Ambiance in the heart of Quail Hill. This home is over 3,400 square feet, dual masters, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths on a beautiful oversized lot of 7,500.
And we're in a very popular part of Orange County. We're in the coastal hills of Irvine. We're in the University High School District. We're only 7 miles from Laguna Beach. We're near shopping, dining, and entertainment. And this home is reminiscent of a French villa. The backyard was custom designed by Rogers Gardens in Newport Beach.
So call us for a private tour.
We've also provided a floor plan for you in the link below. Thanks for watching.